This video is about the pharmacophore analysis. Watch the complete video as it will help in understanding the pharmacophore analysis and drug designing. Let's start the video, but don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. What is pharmacophore? The pharmacophore retains abstract info regarding molecular capabilities required for that biological macromolecule to seep into the molecular focus. For pharmaceutical goals, IUPAC and ANDS have clarified that a pharmacophore is an outfit of steric and digital features which is critical to trigger or obstruct that the proper answer from your objective as well as this receptor. Medication models let you test the way the diverse collection of ligands can affix to one receptor. Additionally, novo-style engineering and digital screening systems are all well suited for detecting allosteric modulators of precisely the same target, which might be properly used for drug detection. A more standard pharmacophore generally comprises hydrophobic pieces, centroids, rings with hydrogen or aromatic bonding capability, and anions. All these pharmacodynamics elements might function as a ligand or could be proposed. To successfully discover new ligands, they must have equal chemical properties. For the most part, ligand-receptor interactions have been typical, polarly charged, hydrophobic, or electrophilic. The pharmacophore is known to own water-like hydrophobic and hydrogen bond strengths. There are few steps in development of pharmacophore model. To develop a pharmacophore model, one needs to go through the following steps. Step 1. Select a training set of ligands. Choose a varied pair of atoms to utilize from the pharmacophore version evolution. The selection of atoms must comprise both inactive and active compounds, as a pharmacophore version needs to be able to differentiate between atoms together and devoid of bioactivity. Step 2. Conformational analysis. Locate the lower energy configurations that can provide the design structure for every molecule to help with all the planned procedures. Step 3. Molecular superimposition. Contain most of the lower energy conditions of these molecules. Rare cases, a more systematic contrast of most molecules might show a couple of similar biooperational categories from the group, for example, phenyl bands or carboxylic acid collections. Hypothesis supposes the selection of conformations, just one from every single molecule, that furnish the ideal fit would be your active conformation. Step 4. Abstraction of the overlapping molecules into a conceptual illustration. Superimposed phenyl rings, for example, could be known as aromatic ring pharmacophore feature in a more real sense awareness. In the same way, hydroxy groups could be classified as a pharmacophore variable that serves as a hydrogen bond donor or acceptor. Step 5. Validation. A pharmacophore model describes a series of molecules that may attach to a target that has been confirmed by observation. It is only valuable as an explanatory model as long because it may satisfactorily explain variations from the biological behavior of many different molecules. Now speaking about the applications of pharmacophore model. Pharmacophores have been utilized to recognize a few molecules using comparative biological purposes within current chemistry. An alphabetical index of different substances might be scanned to get similar features at the same structural or numerical arrangement. The accelerated creation of pharmacophores is essential to the production of 3D QSAR models. This method can help in medication research using specific tools and special designs which may produce molecules which may serve as a several receptor or receptor goals while preserving the form of the molecule itself. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to stay tuned with the latest videos about biology related analysis and also press the bell icon